Hi, my name is Arun Sundaresan. I head the passives vertical at Nippon Life India Asset Management Limited. Passive vertical means exchange traded funds and index funds. As many of you would be aware, these funds are very simple yet powerful. They replicate an index. There is no active fund management involved. That is, no one takes a decision as to what stock to buy, when to sell. We simply replicate an index. There is a particular index, there is a methodology. We simply go and invest as per that. I would like to talk to you about a fund called as Nippon India Nifty Alpha Low Volatility 30 Index Fund. Call it Alpha Low Vol Fund. This particular fund, what is considered as a smart beta or a strategy fund, where it takes into consideration two factors. One is alpha, I'll explain that to you, and the other one is low volatility, and it gives equal weight. So the way this particular fund does work is out of the top 150 stocks in the market, the top 100 stocks are called as large cap. The remaining 50 is from the mid cap universe. So from a universe of 150 stocks, this particular fund picks out 30 stocks based on a specific methodology. And what is this methodology? It gives weightage to alpha. Alpha is a concept. It is the additional return that a particular stock generates given its risk. For example, if there is a particular steel stock, inherently it will have a risk, and if the stock actually generates more return than what is suggested by its risk, it is supposed to be generating alpha. So that is one concept. The other concept is low volatility. So you do not want only those stocks which are going up, whatever is the risk, but it's just doing well. At the same time, you also want stocks to be consistent. You want low volatility in your portfolio. Therefore, not only alpha, but a concept called as low volatility, which is nothing but lower standard deviation. The stock does not go up and down very rapidly. It's more stable. So these two factors get combined almost in equal weight, 50%, 50% each. And then from a universe of 150 stocks, the top 30 stocks get picked up in the index, and we will simply replicate this. So this fund has done remarkably well in the past. The portfolio typically tends to be about 83-85% in large cap, and the remaining in mid cap over a period of time. So from that perspective, this is very, very similar. And in terms of returns, it's actually given a much better returns over a period of time when compared to many large cap funds as well as when compared to markets in general like Nifty 50 or many parts of the market. So you can consider investing into this particular fund through the Dhan app, as well as through Nippon India website and the mobile applications that we have. Thank you very much.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.